Many people find it difficult to decorate their home, especially when it comes to dividing spaces, selecting the right colours and lighting, and finding their own personal style. People also think it's expensive and that they're simply not up to it. Obstacles that result in people giving up and eventually leaving things as they are. IKEA wants people to experience just how enjoyable and easy interior design can be. That is why IKEA, in January 2008, introduced a new trend. Husselen, the shuffling of furniture, that is. Rearrange your home to create a whole new look. Husselen inspires new ideas in people, and it is our ingenious way of creating more space, and with it, a demand for new IKEA products. At the heart of the campaign was the song we composed. The fitting title, Moving It, aimed to inspire people and get them moving. The music and lyrics were so catchy that you simply couldn't sit still. The result? Off the couch and onto some serious furniture shuffling. The single was distributed via the press and was also available as a free public download. The music was integrated in all media types. Bus shelters across the Netherlands displayed images of people shuffling and a stimulating call to action. Some bus shelters even had live furniture shuffling going on. Those who were reluctant to dive straight in could first give it a go online. Simply recreate your room, add your furniture, and let the shuffling begin. A click on the shuffle button would mix up all your items so that you could start from scratch, moving them around until you've achieved the desired effect. And if you ended up with some empty spots, you could follow a link to the IKEA website. You could also share your shuffling adventure with your fellow designers. Husselen was all the rage at the IKEA stores too. Even the IKEA restaurant chefs got bitten by the shuffling bug. They served a special shuffle stew, 2 Dutch dishes mixed together. And because IKEA's customers were simply unable to restrain themselves, we took the relevant measures in the form of public announcements.
Tijdens het horen van het volgende nummer verzoeken we iedereen vriendelijk om onze meubels op hun plek te laten staan. Husselen kan gewoon thuis of op designyourownlife.nl.
The campaign was concluded with a rip-roaring shuffle market, where shufflers could swap items of furniture and accessories left over from the shuffle, either between themselves or for new IKEA products. Shuffling quickly became a trend that even made the national and international press. It was even mentioned as far afield as Japan and Russia, and the Husselen trend continued, even after the campaign had ended.
Het is niet first in, first out.
Nee, het is helemaal hip hoor, dat Husselen. Dat is...
van de Ikea is er overkomen
Ikea
waaien.
is ermee begonnen.
Van de Ikea overkomen waaien, dat Husselen.
Toen Husselen.
Ja.
Results. We inspired millions of Dutch people to rethink their interior. Some 200,000 people participated in the online shuffle alone. By empowering consumers as designers, we managed to strengthen their emotional bond with the IKEA brand and products. By getting people to shuffle, we ingeniously created the space and a demand for new products, which had a positive effect on sales. National and international free publicity and rumour resulted in Husselen becoming a household word.